All right, guys, this is the Excavator Engineering Vehicles Series. 11 channel RC 2.4 gigahertz. Okay. Check out that. All right, Aaliyah. Let's turn the lights on. Turn them off. Turn it back on. How about start this little motor? Okay. Now let's give it a whirl. Oh. How freaking cool, guys. Got your little remote.
Forward, backwards, turn right, turn left, turn right, turn left, turn right. Digging, uninstall.
Uninstall, yep. And then you got your sound, your lights, and then a demo button, which this guy's going crazy on. And there's a little dude in there. How cool is that? Anyways, guys, links in the bottom left corner. Christmas is right around the corner. You know you want this. Here we go.